Hello world, welcome to my channel 𝐇𝐮𝐿 with Gaurav, and kindly I'm going to show you how we can deploy a Node.js application in Hugging Face spaces. Keep watching. So I need to first create a space in Hugging Face. Here I can give any name of the space. Test node app deploy. Okay, and suppose let's give a short description. This is a testing application to be deployed here. Okay, and let's choose MIT license, and here you have these options for selecting SDK, and you have to choose Docker because Gradio is for Python, and as I am going to use Node.js, so I have to use this Docker. Okay, and let's create the blank template, and here you can see you have 16 GB free CPU with 2 virtual CPU, and here you have to ensure that your repository and the space is public. So let's create this space. Okay, so all these instructions given here is for first API, which is nothing but of Python, but we are going to use Node.js. So let's go to terminal and create a folder called test node app deploy. You can give any name, test node deploy. Okay, you can give any name. Okay, so cd, so let's go within this, going to, okay, now let's open VS Code, and here let's create npm init. Okay, so this is package name, description. I'm just giving nothing, keywords author, suppose. Okay, now what I need to do is in VS Code you can see here package.json is already there. Now I am going to ask Perplexity to create a simple Node.js app. Create a simple Node.js app with server-side rendering of HTML, CSS and JavaScript for a awesome styled to-do list application. Okay, give proper styling. Okay, so it is giving me okay. So I'm going to copy it within a file. First I have to create an index.js file, index.js, and here I have to copy it. I have to paste it actually. So I have pasted it. Now what I need to, now in terminal I have to, okay, now let's npm install nodemon and express. So let's install nodemon and express for REST API and nodemon for the updating and reloading without stopping the environment. Okay, so let's here express nodemon, and here in test let's create another thing, शुरू हो जाओ. Okay, so node-mon index.js. Fine. So in index.js you can see all the HTML, CSS and JavaScripts are there, and instead of running node-mon index.js, I am going to run npm run 𝑘𝐮𝐻𝑜. Okay, for that reason I have defined this comment. Okay, so in terminal let's run npm run 𝑘𝐮𝐻𝑜. Okay, so you can see it is running in 3000. So localhost and port is 3000. Okay, so you can see this is the application. Suppose task 1, then task 2, then task 3. So basically it is properly working, and if I delete it, and the deletion is also properly working. Now I have to use Docker, right? Now for using Docker I need to create the Docker file. You can see here the icon of the Docker is visible, and mind it, as we are going to deploy in Hugging Face, so we need to give this initial as uppercase. Okay, don't lowercase. Even though you use lowercase initial, you can also see the Docker file is visible, but Hugging Face might not accept it because I have faced this issue earlier. That's why I am asking you to do so. Okay, so in Dockerfile you have to run many commands, like first of all I need to check in which node I am using. Okay, so let's stop it and let's check the node version. Okay, you can see this is node 20.8 18.2. okay, so first let's run from node 20. okay, then work dir user src and then app. So this will basically create the working directory, and these highlighted keywords are nothing but the Docker's comment. Okay, so this specifies the node version, in which node environment we are going to this project is using, and then work directory. If this directory has not been created here, automatically when we will build the Docker image, automatically this folder will be created. Okay, in this nested form. Then I have to copy all these package related JSON files. So I have to use a regex here. So package star dot, sorry, it's package star dot JSON. Okay, to this working directory. Okay, it will copy automatically these two JSON files. Then I need to run to use the command run npm install. Now in command line, this Docker environment will run this command npm install to install all those dependencies of the specified version, which are mentioned in this package.json's dependency. You can see here in these dependencies. Okay, so in Dockerfile let's write another. So copy everything of this to this working directory, and then I have to expose the port. Now mind it, as we are going to use Hugging Face space, so clearly in Hugging Face you can see your port should be 7860. okay, that is mandatory. For that reason I need to expose 7860, and if you carefully see here, I am using 30 3000, so it should be 7860. Okay, this port. Now in Dockerfile, now the final command we run as what we run, that is npm run shuru ho jao. So these are specified, so I need to write this in comma separated array, in comma separated from which is in array, like this one, npm run, and then let me copy this one, shuru ho jao, copy and then paste here, paste, sorry. Okay, so I pasted it. Now in Hugging Face, go to files and then go to contribute, then upload files. Either you can drag or drop, or you can just choose this. So you are clicking on this, so I'm just dragging and dropping. So you must upload this Docker file, index.js, package.json, package.log.json. Okay, so okay, I am not, so you must upload these three. So I have dragged and dropped, and then let's commit. Okay, so I have my application file as index.js and also the Docker file. So based on the commands of the Docker file, it is building. So in app, you can see all these things. So you can see here from Docker IO node 20. Okay. Okay. So the building has been done. Automatically you can see all those logs here, and here is the container. In build, you can see these work director, copy, package, run. All these commands are all those commands are executed here, and here is the times in which duration it has been done, and here in the container and the start application, and you can see the application is properly running. Let's use it. Suppose task 1, task 2. Okay, so basically it is properly running. Now suppose you might ask, this is within Hugging Face, how can I get the publicly available URL? So first see, this is my username and this is my space name. Okay, so what you can do, you have to do, carefully look, HTTPS. Okay, and here this is Hugging Face space, I have to use first my username in small letter, and then use a hyphen. You can see here my space name is test node app deploy. Now instead of giving this underscores, you have to give hyphens. Now let's see whether we can see or not. Okay, the site can be reached. Okay, so okay, there is a problem. It should be .hf space. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so it is visible now. Now let's use it. Task 1, task 2, task 3. Okay, finally it is working, and let's delete it. Fine. So in this way you can deploy in Hugging Face, but mind it, you have to check whether this server is running or not. I mean, this Hugging Face space might get sleep due to inactivity. So you need to be taken care of. Now you know Hugging Face. The purpose of this Hugging Face is mainly using and deploying, developing and deploying machine learning and AI applications over this Hugging Face space.